welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivanka, and if this is your first time stepping on my channel, then welcome, and I hope you enjoy everything I have in store for you. So if you don't celebrate St. Patrick's Day where you're from, it's basically a drinking holiday in Canada. So especially in the town that I'm from, which is Waterloo, which is a university town. So there's 2 universities and a college. Everybody just goes out and parties all day and all night, and everybody wears green in the spirit of Ireland. And everywhere you go, they're selling like green beer and things like that, and you get to meet a lot of great people, and it's a lot of fun. But the one thing I always struggled with was the makeup, because I want to be in the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, but also green eyeshadow usually looks horrible. But now that I got a little bit better at makeup, I decided to do a little tutorial for those of you that are struggling to kind of come up with an idea for what to do for your makeup, well, more specifically for the eye makeup. So I decided to do something that still looks great, but is also green. So if you want to see how I did this makeup, make sure to keep on watching. I start off with a transition shade, and you don't want to do too dark, especially because the green shades I used are not very pigmented. To brighten up my brow bone, I used a very light shade. Now this Sephora collection palette is really not pigmented, and this shade is so beautiful, but I had to put on so much to get any kind of pigment out of the shade. And now I go in with a dark green shade and I apply it on my lids. And you don't have to make this very clean because we will be blending it out. And you can use a flat brush or you can use a small pencil brush that I used. And now I applied a metallic green color on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Shock Shadow, and these eyeshadows are actually best applied with your finger because they're very soft and they transfer the best onto your finger, because when you go in with a brush they're not as pigmented. And lastly, we're just going to brighten up the corner of the eye. And every time I wear fake eyelashes, I curl them and then I use mascara just so the fake lashes can stick to my own lashes a lot better. So you can get these lashes from Lady Coat Shop, and they have some amazing styles and they're really inexpensive. They're about like $8 for lashes, so it's a really great deal. And the glue that I'm using is from House of Lashes, and it's the dark adhesive, because I usually prefer the dark ones over the see-through ones, because I feel like when those ones dry it kind of looks crusty, I don't know, so I like to use the black ones. And once I apply the lashes, I always pinch my actual lashes to the fake lashes, so then you only have one layer of lashes. And now just add some eyeliner, and I don't know why lately I've been doing it backwards, so I do the eyeliner afterwards, and I feel like it comes out a lot better because I can kind of trace along the lash line. And now for the bottom lash line, you just add some gel liner into your waterline, and then you set it with black eyeshadow just so it stays and it doesn't move. And lastly, I basically use the same shadows I used on the top. I use the same on the bottom, and I do it reverse, so the darker shade goes first and then the brighter shade goes after. And now just add some mascara to the bottom lashes. And whenever I put on eyeshadow, I always do it after I do my makeup, and I leave all the translucent powder under my eyes, so then it's really easy to take off all of the fallen eyeshadow. this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave me some comments. Let me know if you celebrate St. Patrick's Day, where you're from, and also if you're gonna be doing any like green makeup, or if you're just gonna go regular smoky eye and just wear a bunch of fun things like I am. So I will see you next week in my video. Bye!